Want to let your friends know when you're online on TikTok? There's a feature for that. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to enable and disable your activity status on TikTok. Now let's get started. To enable or disable activity status on TikTok, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down and select Activity Status. Here you can choose if you want your activity status to be publicly visible, visible to your friends only, or choose No One if you want this feature turned off. Even if you turn it off for yourself, you'll still be able to see the activity status for those who have set theirs to public. If you choose the Friends option, you'll be able to see when followers who you follow back are online if they've also selected the Friends option for the activity status setting. That's all it takes to enable or disable activity status on TikTok. Want to hide your TikTok reposts? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.